Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here. Are you able to hear me? Are you able to see me? If I'm just figuring out अगर आप मुझे देख पा रहे, सुन पा रहे, and I'm traveling, by the way. I'm in Delhi, or that's why we didn't have the Friday at 4. I thought why not to go live now, and let me just check if everything looks to be fantastic. Give me a big thumbs up अगर आप देख पा रहे इस quick session को. Which is about the markets, right? Markets crashed and it's fantastic. What happened over the period of 1 week was simply amazing, and it's simply fantastic. So I just since I'm traveling, I was not able to connect with you all, and I thought why not to join now since I have some time. And Delhi is beautiful. You know, the weather in Delhi is amazing. Compared to Mumbai, weather is much better. But to be very honest, the traffic condition today in Delhi is simply horrible. It is taken so much pain to travel from one place to another. I never realized. I thought Mumbai traffic is worse, but Delhi, I mean, there is looking like some rally by Rahul Gandhi, because of which it has gone. The traffic situation has gone really bad. But it's a beautiful place. The weather is amazing. Really enjoying it here. And the markets have been keeping me busy. You know, even if I'm traveling, the best part about you being a trader is that you can trade from anywhere, whether you're in Delhi, whether you're in Mumbai. ये सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है. तो हमें चाहिए क्या? We just require an internet connection. We require a software जहाँ पे हम charts देख सके, and trade strategy and the setup is what we require. So I'm really enjoying, by the way, and it's a beautiful place over here. So it's nice. तो चलते हैं, देखते हैं मार्केट में क्या लास्ट वीक एक्साइटिंग था. You know, last Friday, were you? Let me ask you a question. Were you there on last Friday with me? Last Friday की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. क्या आप थे मेरे साथ में last Friday वेबिनार में, जब हमने पहली बार बात की थी कि निफ्टी कैन क्रैश if and crucial time cycle के basis पे I talked about Gann, I talked about why it can crash, head and shoulder pattern, and all of those things. So were you there, guys, looking at those techniques? And look at what happened. You know, you will not believe on the Twitter when I mentioned that the markets can crash, people started trolling and saying कि it's a healthy correction, it's correction. अरे boss, 300 पॉइंट एक दिन में अगर गिरता है मार्केट, आप उसे करेक्शन कहते हो? यू नो, इन पास्ट 1 वीक किधर से कहां पहुंच गया मार्केट. फॉर मी इट्स नॉट अ करेक्शन. आई मीन, व्हेन ऑफन डू यू सी 300 पॉइंट्स डाउन ऑन निफ्टी इन अ सिंगल डे? एंड फॉरगेट अबाउट निफ्टी. Look at the stocks that you might have been trading. Look at Hindalco, look at Tata Steel, look at iBull, look at Tata Motors, look at SBI, look at DLF. अरे यार, ये सब स्टॉक्स 4 से 5% नीचे थे. आपको पता है, एक दिन के अंदर 4 to 5% डाउन दी स्टॉक्स वर. सो इट्स अ वेरी क्लासिक थिंग. एंड इनफैक्ट थर्सडे को, नॉट थर्सडे, आई एम सो सॉरी, ऑन वेडनेसडे वी हैड अ लाइव ट्रेडिंग सेशन विथ मेंटीज. हम लाइव ट्रेड कर रहे थे, मेंटरशिप सेशन था. And we took a classic trade when Nifty was somewhere around the zone. When we were looking at Nifty, we were, I think it was around that zone of specific 18,530 or consa level. I don't recollect the exact level. And we were looking at that zone, and we were anticipating कि अगर वो level नहीं निकला, basis of 43 time period, we might sell down. And we went all the way down. And by the time the closing happened on Wednesday was simply superb. And next day, you know what happened Thursday, Friday, and how badly the market crashed. So it was really amazing. Last week was amazing for people who have been on the bear side, and people who have been waiting for that pullback to come to, because अगर आप long है और pullback की wait कर रहे हैं, market क्यों नीचे जाएगा? You know, those people have been in trouble, because अगर आपने stop loss नहीं लगाया, there would have been a lot of losses that you would have taken. So for me, I think we, like last Friday, I said, I gave 2 levels basis of time cycle on a 55 days time cycle. Do you remember those 2 levels, guys? Anyone remembers those 2 levels? I'll share the chart also with you all quickly. वो 2 level के बारे में मैंने बात किया था. 18,130 one of the levels. And 18,520 तो obviously was level for invalidation, not otherwise. और वो level ऊपर तो आया ही नहीं. 18,130 मैंने कहा था कि अगर ये लेवल ब्रीच हो जाएगा तो 55 डेज का साइकिल लो ब्रेक होगा, और उसका मतलब है until 23rd of January 2023 18,900 का टॉप नहीं निकलेगा. Do you remember the targets that were given on the downside? Okay, Rafiq Sayyad is here. He's saying exactly. आपको ध्यान में एक लेवल दिया था मैंने, हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न जो बनाया था उसका एक टारगेट लेवल दिया था नीचे की ओर. Do you remember that level? Anyone? Exactly that level. And the Gann level also 17,756 was the target. So the point I'm trying to make is, despite of whatever people might have told you, if you follow simple price action with Elliott wave and Gann technique, of course, along with timing tool, it's possible to predict the market. Does not matter. You know, when I turned bearish, so many of the people commented, and forget about them. But my charts were suggesting that, and it worked out brilliantly well. तो यहां से अभी क्या होगा? चलो, जो हो गया वो देखा, वो समझ में आया. What is next? Shall we go ahead and understand what is the next thing to do? 18,293 was the Gann square of 9 level on the upside. That level was broken decisively. Next Gann level is 17,756. Friday का लो याद है आपको? Anyone remembers Friday low? What was the low on Friday? 17,756. Gann low है 17,780. Head and shoulder target था. And 17,780 was the level touched on Friday, which was precisely the target as per head and shoulder pattern. Was simply fabulous. और पिछले 7 दिन में, in the past 7 days, not a single close has happened above the prior candle high. Okay, so not a single close. तो बहुत सारे जने जिन्होंने ये चीज नहीं ऑब्जर्व की थी, I would suggest you should go and recheck my Friday webinar, which was explaining all the things. लेकिन चलते हैं चार्ट पे. Let me just move on very quickly on the charts here, and let me just share across my screen. I'm just trying to figure out अगर यहाँ से होता है कि नहीं. Since I'm traveling, I'm just figuring out कि if I'm able to see my screen, what is there on the screen. I'm not able to share it across right now. देखते हैं. This is about live. This is about Zoom. Where is my Safari gone? I'm on the Safari. Where is my trading view gone? I'm just trying to figure out where is my trading view screen, which is not open yet, it seems. So let me just open up my screen here of trading view and share it across with you all. कि आने वाले वीक में how do you place yourself in this kind of a market very quickly. मतलब अभी आने वाले वीक में हमें क्या करना है वो आपको देखना होगा. तो बहुत ही क्विकली मैं चलता हूं यहाँ पर एक चार्ट पे, which is going to be with you all in a second. Just give me a second, guys. I'm just trying to figure out how do I share it across on this machine which I have right now, and I still do not see the sharing option. Now that's weird. Let me just again recheck. Okay, this is my trading view on the screen. Let me just see if you are able to. Okay, I'm not able to share that across for some reason. Chart share nahi kar pa raha hu main because it's not allowing me to share. There is no permission to share it. It's showing this is a different machine which I have right now, and it is not allowing me to share. I'm so sorry. I'm not able to share the charts. I don't think I will be able to share the charts because there is some setting which is not allowing me to share across my charts. तो चलते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. चार्ट शेयर अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गिव इट अ ट्राई वन मोर टाइम एंड चेक करते हैं कि यहाँ पर हो पा रहा है कि नहीं हो पा रहा है. लेट मी जस्ट चेक. Okay, I need to grant some preference and security and privacy. Okay, that's how technology is, right? When you need it the most, that's the time when it does not work correctly. that's a challenge. So okay, let me just try it out one more time. And okay. Okay, I'm doing that, but I'm not sure if it's still allowing me to or not. Okay, forget about it. I'll give it one more shot, guys. So thanks for being patient with me. I'll just try again if I'm able to share across my chart or not. Okay, fantastic. It is working now. So are you able to see my screen? Thanks for the patience, people, for bearing with me. Are you able to see my screen right now? I somehow figured it out and looks like I am able to share across my screen. But अगर आप देख पा रहे कि नहीं वो मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है. तो I'm able to share my screen across. I'm just trying to figure it out if you are able to see it or not. So okay, screen दिख रहा है लेकिन it's just blank, right? It's are you able to see it's a black screen, right? Yeah, okay, that's weird. That's very strange why it's not showing me the. Okay, let me just see it one more time. Are you still seeing a black screen? Yeah, you are, I think. Let me just give it a shot one more time. And देखते हैं कि ये screen शायद आप देख पा रहे हैं कि नहीं. Are you able to see the screen now? दिख पा रहा है screen मेरा? Still not able to see that? Oh, that is very weird because यहाँ पर मेरे Zoom पे दिख रहा है, which is not a black screen. Okay, so let's forget about the screen then. I think there is some challenge. It's not allowing me. So my Mac is not allowing me to share across the screen. Let me just see if I can. No, but it's still not allowing. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. तो एक लेवल मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. यहाँ से जो लेवल्स आपको ध्यान रखना है, that is the level that I'm going to talk about and discuss. Okay, you can see it now. Okay, that's great. चलिए, अच्छा है. So जो मेहनत किया मैंने, वो मेहनत के कारण आप स्क्रीन देख पा रहे. And really appreciate for giving the inputs, guys. Thank you very much. Nalini, Narendra, great to see you guys. Rohit, Sumit, fantastic. So चलिए, I'm trying my hard to share across a lot of things. तो यहाँ पर let me just look at it. एंड यहाँ पर अभी हम देखते हैं लेवल्स. तो अगर आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर there is a level that I'm going to draw here. This is as per Hurst time cycle and wave theory. दोनों चीज मैं आपको बताऊंगा. यहाँ पर अगर मैं ड्रॉ करके आपको एक लेवल बताऊं, which is this was one of the levels. तो ये जो लो था, that was a 55-day cycle low, and this was the other level which is also the 55-day cycle low, and this worked out brilliantly. So ये cycle का जो लो है वो ब्रेक हो चुका है. If the cycle low has been broken, that clearly suggests, that is suggesting that the market will not be taking out these levels for next 23rd 24th of Jan. Let me tell you कौन सा डेट है. So the high 18,900 will not be taken out until 24th of Jan 2023. एक इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पर हमें मिल गई कि 24th Jan 2023 तक मार्केट्स हाई नहीं निकालने वाला है. So यहाँ पर if you are looking at this, one thing is very clear कि ट्रेंड है नीचे का. If I'm going to zoom in this chart now, if you check here from the past levels of here, not a single candle has closed below the prior, above the prior candle high. एक भी कैंडल प्रायर कैंडल हाई के ऊपर बंद नहीं किया. Okay, not a single candle has closed above the prior candle high. I'm going to go on a 5-minute chart right now in order to give you a heads up कि मंडे क्या हो सकता है. I'm going on a 5-minute chart. यहाँ पर 5-minute chart के ऊपर अगर आप देखेंगे, I'm going to share across my wave count. Ignore the vertical lines that you are seeing. Let me just clear off the screen here. Let me do one thing. Let me go on a 30-minute chart. थोड़ा सा time frame दूसरा देख के देखते हैं. Over here, a very clear wave pattern. Do you want to know about Neo wave? वेरी क्लियर वेव पैटर्न जो हमने बात की थी वो क्या थी? वेव पैटर्न था, यहां पर ये वेव एक्स था. ओके, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग वेव एक्स हियर वी हैड अ वेव ए ऑन द अपसाइड. वी कंप्लीटेड ए. Do you remember this was B? And I mentioned this is a C failure flat pattern. Post a C failure flat pattern, what do you expect to see? You expect to see a very sharp decline. Post a C failure flat pattern, and that is exactly what we are seeing. A C failure के बाद में a sharp decline. एक और चीज हमें क्या करनी है यहाँ पर? We are going to make a channel. So I'm going to connect this top. यहाँ पर एक टॉप बनाएंगे, कनेक्ट करेंगे. Let's just do that. Take a parallel to this on the downside. We are going to be taking a parallel to this. This channel is definitely broken on the downside. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? इसका मतलब हुआ कि possibilities of an impulse 1, then completing a wave 2 here, and this is a start of a third leg. If this is a start of a third leg, there are two possible scenarios. अगर ये third leg है और ये impulse है, third is going to be 1.618 times of wave 1. So we are going to measure that. Wave 2 you can even complete here, but this looks to be a correct position of wave 2. And अगर हम measure करें नीचे का target कितना आता है, let's just check that very clearly. From this point onwards we are going to measure it until here. यहाँ तक लिया and पूरा का पूरा top से ले रहे हैं हम फिलहाल. Our target is 1.618. Can you see that? Precisely Nifty ka low is 1.618 times of wave 1. Are you understanding the magic of Fibonacci? अगर आप देख पा रहे, समझ पा रहे, the entire down move is exactly 1.618 times of 1 अभी तक. So that's the first thing. Now the key is, if the low of 17,780 जो बना था फ्राइडे को, अगर वो ब्रेक होता है, further downside targets will open up towards 2.618, which is 17,384 as per the impulse pattern. So पहला target आ चुका है. Now how do we know that this third is over and the fourth is starting? We will know that once we see a move back above the high of Friday, which is 18,050. काफी दूर है, लेकिन वो लेवल के ऊपर ही हमें कंफर्म मिलेगा कि थर्ड ओवर हो चुका है, फोर्थ स्टार्ट हो गया. Until that happens, what you have to do, you just have to use the pullbacks that you get. Whatever pullback that you get, use that pullback to re-enter into the trend on the downside. Only if you get a pullback deeper enough, which challenges this 18,000 level, we can say the trend of third is over and then fourth is possibly starting. Only if we get that. You know, बहुत rare है जब मैं impulse count करता हूँ, and people might be aware about it. It's not very often where I am counting these things as impulse. Are you with me? So बहुत अच्छा ट्रेंड है दोस्तों. यहाँ पर लो पकड़ने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to capture that 50 points pullback, 100 points pullback. जब बड़ा ट्रेंड नीचे का. When to change the stand? When we cross that 18,053 level. Once we cross that 18,053 level, which is this level that you can see here, this is the level. You change your stand. That fourth wave आ रहा है, which means that now sell options to make money. तो मतलब अगर आपको GPS of the market पता है, it works fantastic. And जो head and shoulder की मैं बात कर रहा था, ये head and shoulder pattern worked out so brilliantly. The target is very well achieved on the downside. So ऐसी है, this is what. So अगर आपको पता है कि क्या हो रहा है and कैसे trade करना है, तो can I say that your the way you look at the markets, your trading can be very easy. Whether if I'm traveling, I'm not traveling. For me, this is what research is. And this happens not when the market is on. This happens once the market is closed. I sit back, look at the possibilities कि क्या ये थर्ड वेव है, कितना जा सकता है. अगर अच्छा 17,780 ब्रेक किया तो opens up the possibility of 17,384. And you know, someone even on Twitter said that I'm always bearish most of the time. So I'm bearish. I'm with a bearish bias. See, I'm with a bearish bias because I know until June 2023, the bigger cycles are not in the buy. That's why I'm a bearish bias. But tomorrow, if Nifty closes above prior day high, I'll turn bullish. I change my stand with blink of an eye. It does not matter, guys. So that's how you should be also looking at it. So this is how wave 3 is completing, and we should have a 4. And guys, are you subscribing and following my channel? Do that. People who are there on YouTube, do ensure you are subscribing to this channel because I am sharing across a lot of things. Give me a big yes if you are a part of, you have subscribed to my channel so that I know on the chat. I can see that a lot of you have been asking, and it's amazing. Vishal Gar, what would be the target of wave 4? देखिए पहले wave 4 हो रहा है शुरू या नहीं हो रहा है वो देखते हैं. एक बार wave 4 शुरू होगा, then I will come out with a target, and we shall do ensure you are following me on Twitter @Ashish, because in the description you will find the Twitter handle, because so much during the markets I've been tweeting, before the market I'm tweeting, so you need to ensure you are following me on Twitter also. Thanks for the big yes, guys, who are following me on the YouTube channel, and it's really fantastic. So do like and share it across as well. चलिए चलते हैं यहाँ पर. तो ये फोर्थ वेव कितना जा सकता है? देखिए, द मैक्सिमम अलाउएबल लिमिट फॉर द फोर्थ वेव इज नॉट टू गो बियॉन्ड 18,200. इफ दिस गोज बियॉन्ड 18,200, मतलब यार ये करेक्टिव फॉल था, ऊपर का ट्रेंड शुरू हो रहा है, तो मतलब मार्केट विल बी सेल ऑन राइज until 18,200 is not breached, because at 18,200 wave 4 will overlap with wave 2 as per neo wave rule. I am talking about, not Elliott wave rule. If wave 4 overlaps with wave 2, this is not allowed. So wave 4 should not overlap with wave 2. That's the rule as per neo wave. तो मतलब 18,200 जब तक नहीं निकलता है तब तक सेल ऑन राइज. टाइम साइकिल पे वापस आते हैं. 1 आवर के टाइम साइकिल पे हमने देखा था कि 18,900 will not be taken out until 24th of Jan 2023, which means for option traders, this is the time when you can form a strategy in a way जहां 18,900 नहीं निकलने वाला है, 18,200 निकालना भी मुश्किल है, तो अकॉर्डिंगली पुल बैक आया ऑप्शन सेल करो, पुल बैक आया ऑप्शन सेल करो. दैट्स द इजीएस्ट वे टू मेक मनी. ऑप्शन बाय पुट करना है आपको, वेव 3 पे पुल बैक आने दो, KST सिग्नल अप्लाई करो. Guys, anyone aware about the KST signal? We did that in the option trading program, and trading using KST with this technique is simply fantastic. KST का एक कोर्स है मेरे ऐप पे, आशीष क्याल ट्रेडिंग गुरुकुल पे, वहां से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते. इट्स अ 1 hour काइंड ऑफ अ कोर्स. ऐप का डिस्क्रिप्शन और लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, ऐप का लिंक. वहां से यू कैन चेक अबाउट KST एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. सो जैसे ही KST सिग्नल 0 तक आया, टर्न हुआ, यहां से प्राइस एक्शन कंफर्म हुआ, यू गेट अ क्लासिक सेल सिग्नल अगेन. अभी बेचने में प्रॉब्लम क्या है? मार्केट इज 15 मिनट्स पे ओवरसोल्ड है. थोड़ा पुल बैक अगर आया तब बेचना है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बाय करना है. यहां से गिरेगा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं. यहां से if you are having short positions, keep riding it. Do not wait, do not exit, keep riding it. It's not very often you get 300 600 points fall. I am riding that trend. You should ride that trend. Book partial, trail remaining. That's the fastest and the easiest way to make money. और अगर पुल बैक आया, ब्रिलियंट. सी, लोग क्या सोचते हैं, पुल बैक आया तो यार क्या करे, पुल बैक नहीं आया तो क्या करे. अगर पुल बैक आया, अपॉर्चुनिटी टू री एंटर. पुल बैक नहीं आया, एग्जिस्टिंग शॉर्ट्स कंटिन्यू टू राइड. साइडवेज हो गया, स्टार्ट सेलिंग ऑप्शंस. सो यू नो, if you know wave theory, which I call as the GPS of the market, if you combine with KST signals, and if you know option trading, it is fantastic. It's phenomenal. ये हमने किया था लास्ट वीकेंड पे ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग प्रोग्राम में भी, and it was simply amazing. So combine all of those things, guys, together, and I'm sure you will be able to trade extremely well in the market. Let me just and also remember one more thing, that agar koi bhi doubt hai, on the app we have a chat option. So the app is Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. The description of the app, you can get it down. If you have any queries, doubts, put it on the chat box and I'll be ensuring that you get your answers. So also, before we are done for the day, a very quick announcement for you all. Twitter, we are almost touching that 30,000 on this Christmas Eve. Just few more subscribers left, so do that. Let's touch 30,000 on Christmas. That's one. YouTube, we are crossing brilliant number of subscriptions, so I really want to thank you guys that आप लोगों ने इतना कुछ दिया है मुझे. So for you all, we are launching on the app a series of courses at a flat 50 to 70% discount on the app. So download the app Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. So I'll tell you which courses you might suit. So काफी जन पूछ रहे कि कौन सा वाला हमारे लिए suitable है, कौन सा नहीं लेना है. I'll just explain you. We have launched a new course which is powerful trade setups on Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks. That's a new course that is simply for people who wants to know about what is a chart, how to look at it, what is the type of scales that you have to use, how to trade using Dow theory, मूविंग एवरेज, सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज क्रॉसओवर सिस्टम कैसे बनाना है, स्टॉप लॉस हंटिंग क्या होता है, कहां पर स्टॉप लॉस लगाना है. ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स आर मेंशन इन दैट स्पेसिफिक कोर्स. ऐप के अंदर आपको मिलेगा पावरफुल ट्रेड सेटअप्स यूजिंग निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी एंड स्टॉक्स, वो वाले कोर्स में. एंड we have kept it affordable below 4K. So ensure you are looking at that if you want to create your trade setups जो आज तक नहीं पता था, चार्ट्स को कैसे देखना है नहीं पता था, कैसे अप्रोच करना है मार्केट्स को, बहुत सारी चीजें डिटेल में मैंने वहां एक्सप्लेन की. लाइन चार्ट्स, डाउ थियरी के बेसिस पे ट्रेड सेटअप क्या है, ट्रेंड लाइन क्रॉसओवर के बेसिस पे कैसे मार्केट को टाइम किया जा सकता है वो भी है उसमें. मूविंग एवरेज क्रॉसओवर सिस्टम को कैसे डेवलप करना है, कहां पर ट्रेड लेना है, क्या एंट्री स्टॉप लॉस टारगेट होगा, एवरीथिंग. वो हो गया एक. देयर इज द नेक्स्ट कोर्स दैट यू कैन लुक एट इज प्रीमियम ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटेजी यूजिंग KST एंड बॉलिंगर बैंड्स ऑन बैंक निफ्टी एंड निफ्टी. वो वाला कोर्स आप देख सकते हैं. If not that, there is a bundle course on Master of Technical Analysis plus Elliott wave plus Neo wave. So that you can look at it, or else you can look at option trading program. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a complete ecosystem for people to trade markets in a very systematic and scientific way, and make use of that because we are running that Christmas offer and it's beautiful. So I thought why not to do that for 2 days, today and tomorrow. So 2 ही दिन है. ऐप की लिंक आपको मिल जाएगी मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, प्ले स्टोर पे आशीष क्याल ट्रेडिंग गुरुकुल के नाम से है. सो डाउनलोड करिए, देखिए. और अगर आप सीखना चाहते हैं लाइव क्लास में, तो मेरा मास्टर ऑफ वेव्स हो रहा है 7th और 8th जैन को, और इसका अर्ली बर्ड एंड हो रहा है कल 25th ऑफ दिसंबर को अर्ली बर्ड एंड हो रहा है. अलॉन्ग विद दैट we are giving a further discount for people, so no coupons required. ऐप पे आपको वो कोर्स भी मिलेगा for the live. जैसे ही आप रजिस्टर करेंगे you will get access to video links of Elliott wave plus live session on Master of Waves जो होगा 7th 8th जैन को. So जिस तरीके से मैं forecast कर रहा हूँ, guys, you will be also able to forecast all of these things. So just ensure you are a part of this wonderful learning and trading opportunities that we are creating for you all. And guys, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for making it possible. I'm really excited when people really want to learn this systematic way of trading and the markets, and that's why I'm live here from Delhi, and it's beautiful here. Really enjoying, and I'm sure you might also be enjoying it very well. Do download the app Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul and get all the details of the courses that you always wanted to know. Thank you guys. देखिए मार्केट को मंडे को मैं ट्वीट जरूर करूंगा, तो देखते रहिए कि कहां से आपको ट्रेड लेना है, कैसे लेना है, कैसे मार्केट को देखना है. एंड वहां पर अगर आप जो भी कोर्स को सब्सक्राइब भी कर रहे हो ऐप पे, देयर इज वन मोर ऑप्शन ऑफ स्पिन द व्हील. सो इंश्योर करिए यू आर स्पिनिंग द व्हील देयर टू गेट सम coupons for any of the purchases that you're doing. So a lot of things are there happening on the app. So download and do that. And do ensure to trade with a stop loss. Volatility is going to increase in market, which means better opportunities, which means good trading can be done by using options, either buying or selling. And that is how it can happen. There is a question how to place a stop loss when we use candlestick rules. So I would suggest that you do go and look at the course on powerful trading using on Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks. That will define your stop loss strategy also very clearly. वहां पर आपको मिलेगा क्यों ना सीख के ट्रेड करे guys. Let's ensure 2023 we take an oath of learning and trading so that don't lose money from the market. That's my wish for every one of you, and wishing you all a very happy, beautiful Christmas. Make the most of it with your family, enjoy with your friends, make it big in 2023, and let's make it happen together. If you have any query, I'm always here, and ensure I'm publishing videos most of the time. In fact, daily practice is 7 o'clock on YouTube. So do keep checking that and do that. Commodity के लिए कौन सा course करे? For commodities also, you can look at powerful trade setups on Nifty, Bank Nifty stocks. That can be a good course to start with, Sandeep. So that will give you a heads up on how to go about it. Okay. Thank you, guys. Do subscribe to the channel. Do like and share it with your friends and family members. And Ashish Kyal signing off. See you again soon. It was pleasure interacting. Markets crucial level. If 17,756 Gann level breaks, the next Gann level will open up, and I will share it across. I'll tweet it across. So keep a watch. I'll share it on my app also. So keep a track. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Ashish Kyal signing off.